dear students. Welcome to our English lesson. So let's begin. The topic of our lesson is twin cities. In this lesson, you will learn new vocabulary, compare two cities using linkers, and do vocabulary exercises. Okay, students, look at the pictures and read the title and the information. What do you think each place is like? How do they differ? Twin cities, different worlds. One is a modern town only 160 years old, and the other is an ancient city which was built 2,000 years ago. One is home to a few thousand families and nature lovers, while the other is a home to a rich history, culture, and energetic lifestyle. Okay, students, look at our new words. Nature lover. Nature lover. Someone who loves nature and earth. Picturesque. Picturesque. Beautiful, attractive. Trail. Trail. A path, a road. Tower. Tower. A tall, narrow building. Now let's watch a video about twin cities. One city is Verona in Wisconsin in USA, and the second city is Verona in Italy.
Twin cities. Often around the world there are places that have the same name. Let's look at two cities that share a name but are very different. One is a modern town only 160 years old. The other an ancient city which was built 2,000 years ago. One is home to a few thousand families and nature lovers, while the other is home to a rich history, culture, and energetic lifestyle. Verona, Wisconsin, USA. The city of Verona is a very small, picturesque city located in the south of Wisconsin. There are many quiet neighborhoods and tree-lined streets there. There are a lot of parks to relax in and great trails for hiking and cycling. There are no tall buildings, just pretty houses with big gardens. In the summer, people go swimming in the huge lakes near the town, and in the winter they can go ice skating on the lakes. In the city center, there are some very nice clothes shops. There are also nice local restaurants and cozy cafes around the town. Verona, Italy. The ancient city of Verona is situated by the Adige River in the north of Italy. It is a large cosmopolitan city. Verona is famous for its ancient city walls, towers, bridges and palaces. Thousands of tourists walk around the narrow streets in the summer. They can shop in the fashionable boutiques and at the local markets. They can even see Juliet's balcony. Verona was the home of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Verona is an exciting city for both locals and tourists. Which Verona would you like to visit?
Let's do tasks. Task number 1. Mark the statements true, false, or doesn't say. The next task is places in a city. You should match the places to the signs. Picture A. Caution, roadworks ahead. Picture B. Teaching staff only. Picture C. Quiet please. Picture D. No dogs, children's play area. Picture E. Do not feed the fish. Please be attentive. Dear students, look at the next task. Listen to 3 dialogues and you should answer the question, in which of the places does each take place?
One.
What can I do for you, madam?
I'll take this and a large chicken, please.
Certainly. That's £11 altogether, please.
Here you are. 2. Can I help you?
Yes. Can you give me something for a headache?
Of course. How about this? It contains paracetamol.
Thank you. How much is it?
3.
Do you like these?
Yes, I do. What size are they?
They're a medium.
Great. I think I'll try them on.
Well, students, let's look here. We have the grammar theme linkers. To show contrast, you can use whereas, but, however. For example, she likes to go to the beach, whereas he prefers the park. I love fruit, but I do not like oranges. I wanted to be friends, however, she didn't. Let's practice. Read the text again and compare the 2 cities. Use whereas, but, however. For example, Verona is in Wisconsin is a small city, whereas Verona in Italy is a large cosmopolitan city. Okay, pupils, let's finish our lesson. Let's assess yourself. If you have more than 12 correct answers, you are super. If you have more than 7 correct answers, much better. And if you have 3 or more correct answers, not bad. Be very attentive at the next time. Well, pupils, thank you for your participation. You are very active today. The lesson is over. Goodbye.